Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Remember, the month of the year is May. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Go Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
For today's agenda, we're going to be working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So how are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy because it is Friday.